Brian Ankney with AutoSuccess. I am at NADA today, 2020 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with Matt Wadiak. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I started selling cars back in 1987. I worked my way up through automotive retail up to the general manager level. About 15 years ago, I had an opportunity to go to work with a national automotive recruiting and training company. That was a great opportunity for me. I got the opportunity to travel to thousands of dealers throughout the country and really understand, firsthand what processes work and what processes simply don't. So it's been a great experience for me. 5 years ago, I decided to branch out on my own and form my own recruiting and training company. We did very well. We built up our client base up to over 700 dealer clients nationwide.
As you've been walking around NADA this year, what topics are dealers talking about?
9 out of 10 dealerships are telling me that their major challenges are in attracting and retaining salespeople.
How can AutoStaff help dealers to overcome these challenges?
Well, Brian, we're an automotive-specific recruiting and training company. We have over 20 years of combined automotive sales recruiting and training experience. We have a proven track record of success in helping dealers get results. And our staff are very well trained in executing recruiting campaigns.
Do you recruit for other positions in the dealership?
We are a full-service automotive recruiting and training company, and we recruit for all positions in the dealership, from salespeople to service technicians. Variable operations, fixed operations, any position at your dealership, we can help you recruit the right people. We also do BDC optimization, business development center optimizations. And, as a recruiting company, we're uniquely positioned to help dealers be able to grow their BDC departments, because a BDC department basically really comes down to people and process. And as a recruiting company, we're able to source and screen and hire the best quality people, and then help your dealership develop the processes to be able to convert leads at a very high rate.
Thank you for talking to me today,
Thank
Matt.
you, Brian.
Enjoy NADA.
Brian, thank you so much for taking the time. I really appreciate the time with you, and it's been amazing, it's been wonderful, and have a productive time here at NADA, and thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.